All right, guys. So this is the first thing I want you guys to tell me about is our problem-solving approach. Can anybody tell me what it is, what the letters are?
Drapes.
Drapes. What? So give me the letters.
D. Define the problem.
Define the problem. Next.
A.
R.
R. Research.
Research what?
The problem.
Or solutions. A. Any-
Analyze.
An-
Analyze.
Analyze what? Right? DRAP. Right? Look at potential solutions or apply. And what's E?
Execute.
Execute. And then what's S?
Survey.
Survey. Go back and check your work. Right. All right. So drapes. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about how you would solve a specific problem. Okay. So here's your problem for you. You guys want to go to Texas for spring break.
But I don't want to go to Texas.
Yes, you do. You told me that. No, Texas is warm and nice now. Austin, Texas. So tell me how you figure out about going to Austin, Texas for spring break.
We gotta research.
Well, first of all, what's the D mean?
Define the problem.
Okay, so what's the problem?
I'm broke.
You're broke. There you go. You don't have a lot of money. So how are you going to do? So what's the next step in the process?
Word.
What?
Research the problem or solutions.
Research solutions. So what are some of the ways you can get to Texas?
Driving.
By plane or by driving.
Driving. Hunter, how else can you get to Texas?
Walking.
Okay, walking.
It's gonna be a while, but yes. Or
Matthew?
if we're in Florida, boat.
There you go. You can boat across the Gulf.
Bike.
And how else? How else can you get somewhere, Matthew?
Left.
What's that?
Curl.
The one.
What is it?
The one.
Say it again.
The one.
DeLone? I don't know what that is. What are you saying?
What's that? Train.
You could take train.
Train? Okay.
Yeah, let me train.
Okay.
Wait, there's a
So
bunch
now,
of things here.
all right. So we have a bunch of different potential solutions. So now what do we do? Go ahead.
You analyze the problem.
Okay. You maybe you apply the solutions to the problem. Right?
Flying is too expensive.
Flying is too expensive, Hunter. How about walking?
That's
Walking will take you like 100 hours.
Or days?
That's 4 days.
Okay. And what else?
Oh
Wait,
my
what
God.
is it again?
How about some of the solutions? One was boating. What's a pro or con of boating?
It's fun.
You might not have a boat.
I have a boat. Have any of you ever been in the ocean on a boat?
Yes.
Yep.
I think so.
Does anybody get seasick?
Never.
I don't know.
Some
Seasick?
people. Yeah, some people will get seasick. That might be a problem. Matthew does not. So Matthew can take a boat. Maybe that's a good solution. And then, so how do these problems help if you don't have a lot of money? Is there any other ways to do it without money?
No.
No? Sure.
I mean,
Yes.
you can walk
Well, we
or
said
run.
that takes too long. So is there any other ways?
Driving.
Okay.
But then
That
again,
takes
you
gas.
might not have a car, and that's so
And al-
expensive.
And also you could be
A bicycle.
Race car.
Gas.
Yeah.
You could drive a go-kart.
Go-kart.
What about McGinney? Wait a second.
Lamborghini.
How would
Yeah.
we have a go-kart?
Because we're not old enough
Right.
to drive a car.
Thing is, we would either
You
have to steal
Or
either
build one.
steal- Okay, let's make.
Yeah.
But
All right.
that's
That's it.
expensive.
All right.
Then you
So, all
want
right.
the engine.
All right. So what's the next?
We're not taking into account.
All right, guys.
You're rich.
Guy. Dude.
Take a limo. Take a private limo.
Thing is, when the problem itself,
Y'all went off
we're
subject.
broke.
Okay.
What if you already have one? What if that's why you're broke?
That's probably why.
I think that's why.
I put that in charge.
Off.
Okay, so the next step. So we've now researched potential solutions. What's the P mean in our program? Your AP. We've analyzed, and now we're gonna P, right?
And practice.
Oh, what is bugs?
That's a good guess.
Pick one. Okay, so then you pick one.
Put it into practice.
Dude.
Okay. So which way do you guys pick to go?
Car.
Go kart. Okay.
Yes.
So then when you're done, what do you do after that? You've picked one. Now what do you do? What's the E?
Execute.
Execute. Correct. So how would you execute that?
You just drive to Texas.
In a go kart.
Take it off your checkbook. Your checklist.
Take it out. And then what do you do when you get there 6 months later with a broken go kart?
The go-kart, I make a good go-kart, okay? It won't be broken.
All right. Okay. So I was asking you before the battery died. I was asking you guys about the robot. So tell me about the design of the robot and how you did that.
Well, the design that we did was pretty
No, es que,
straightforward.
señor,
But
lo que
that's
estoy
only
diciendo
because
es
we
que
didn't use
usted-
any of the other
So,
parts
con
that came
interés
along
y
with
todo,
it.
el
We
carro
could have made
salió
it
a
something
20,083.
absolutely
Pero usted ha
complex. And
pagado.
our little minds just couldn't